back, everybody. We had a little technical issue that I believe we have now gotten worked out. I was explaining to you about this tilapia and the importance of it being locally raised or even within the United States. This piece happens to be farm raised, and it is farm raised from local vendors, local seafood purveyors. If you've heard bad things about fish, it's usually the source of the fish that causes the fish to be suspect. So if you use a good fish purveyor, you don't run into the problems of nasty fish. How do you know if fish is good or bad? You really don't. So it really would behoove you to make sure that you use notable purveyors for your product. So now we're ready actually to start cooking these products. And we've already preheated the oven, and we've already put the pans on as well. And we're going to show you 3 different coatings for blackened fish. So the first one here, I have taken some Old Bay seasoning, some paprika, some salt, and garlic, and that's it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the codfish and I'm going to roll this flat into this piece. Okay, front and back. All right, front and back. And you can apply this onto this fish if you want. It doesn't matter, just so long you get it on there. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and let that start sizzling. And the one thing about using these type of skillets, and I'll explain these skillets to you. Let's get a picture of these skillets. These are all cast iron, okay? And cast iron is the preferred skillet for blackening any product, whether it is vegetables, whether it is fish, whether it's chicken. And all you got to do is just put a little bit of oil in there, enough to coat the bottom of the pan, and let it get hot. Heat it up. Once it gets to a certain temperature, you're ready to start blackening. Now, one of the tricks to blackening fish is not to burn it up, for one, and for two, to know when to flip it to the other side. Because if you'll notice, we actually put this in the pan skin side up. And the reason why is because we're going to flip it, and it'll be skin side down, and we'll finish it in the oven as we would in a commercial kitchen, taking it out, and then one spatula underneath it puts it on a plate. And we're not worried about trying to flip it this way, trying to flip it that way. We're going to start it the right way, and it'll finish the right way as well. So while that's doing, we're going to go ahead with the other pieces. And I've taken, on this one, I've used sugar, paprika, and just herbs. And we're going to do the same exact thing with it. And as a matter of fact,